with another concept, and we're going to talk about IHD. IHD is actually an acronym which means Index of Hydrogen Deficiency. So if you guys know fatty acid, if you learned that during your Gen Chem, if you remember it, biology, whenever you have unsaturated fatty acid, you have pi bonds because they're deficient of hydrogens. So this IHD number, it's a formula, and you come up with a number at the end. That number is telling you the degree of unsaturation. That unsaturation is either a ring or a pi bond or a mixture of those two. Let's do one example to kind of get through it. So let's learn the formula first. So this is something you have to memorize. It's 2C plus 2 plus the nitrogen minus hydrogen minus X, which is halogen, everything divided by 2. Usually you don't see nitrogen in your structure, but sometimes professors ask you just a typical question for IHD. So that's when you kind of have to remember this formula. Where else do you need it? Whenever they tell you a formula and then they ask you to come up with the constitutional isomers for that formula, that's when you do IHD. So you narrow your thinking. So let's see the answer for any example. Let's see the answer was 1. Actually, let's make it 2. So let's see the answer was 2. A number, you did the calculation based on the formula and you got to 2. Then you have 3 different options. It could be 2 rings in your structure, because remember, whenever you have rings, you're short of 2 hydrogens. So 2 rings or 2 pi bonds, like alkene, 2 alkenes or 1 alkyne, or a ketone bond or anything. Just 2 different pi bonds. Or you can have a mixture of these two where you have 1 ring and 1 pi bond. So this will give you an idea of what you need to draw or what different things you have to have in your constitutional isomers. Alright, so that's where IHD is very helpful. I hope this helped.
The Teaching Center, UF's Learning Resource Center.